Nedowooza njamuhaki Dennis ayesimbyewo oba azze kuweereza akawempe noosi ye constituency ekyasinzeyo obulungi. Mba ndaba ebyobufuzi bitandikira kawempe ya Uganda. Yes, kubanga ndabira ndala abantu balungi bakuweereza kubanga banyonta ku service policies za Uganda weziri eza government ya NRM. Naye abantu basinga tebaziganyigwamu tebazifunyeemu. Olutalo gwe tuliko gwe tugwana.
Kakati okusinziira ku bivudde tebinaba kumalirizibwayo ne ku byewawuliddeko mubadde mutambudde mutya?
I'm very hopeful, optimistically, without any change. I will be a winner.
Okay.
Yes.
Kakati okusinziira engeri gye tulonzeemu waliwo ebitundu ebimu gye tutuuseeko ng'abantu si bamativu n'ennonda gye tulonzeemu terigoberera register teri alondoola nti ono omulonzi wa mu kitundu kino ateekeddwa wabula bayiikawo buyeesi kirindi babanga bagenze mu bbaala ayagala yayingira n'asimba layini. Okyogerako kinga ggwe omu ku babadde beesimbyewo?
Sebo nze wentuuse nga ngenze kwesimbawo batugamba tugenda kutandika ssaawa 5 ez'okulonda, but I was surprised by ssaawa 3:30 mbadde nkyatuuka. Even I came on a border B to find that people are organizing to start electing in my absence. I was wondering, but my wonderful agents of mine were very trustworthy. They called me when was our fight, where it is going. They hurriedly called me in time. I reached there in time. I said, no bribery here, no anything. Let us take time. We are organized it to be starting at 11. But now, even it is a hour, 1.5 hour to time. You are saying you are going, even to the surprise in a candidate's absence. Even you have a call, you can call me that we are going to start. I was surprised, really, for that.
Akalulu kakwadde kyakwiga ki mukaddako akawamu
mukwano. I have learned from the start. I'm a good observer. I'm a student of learning. I like to learn. Every day I feel learning. And even I encourage Ugandans, every time you learn. Because I have learned a lot. I've experienced a lot on doing groundwork of my success, which I'm still fighting for. Because I have not yet gotten all my results, but my results are giving me hope that Ugandans are waking up together to fight this disaster we have.
Abantu abasinga badde basuubidde akavuyo kangi mu kalulu kammwe kano naddala ng'ekikali kakusimba ku mugongo n'ebitundu ebimu si bwe kibadde tetulabye nnyo kavuyo. Oza ki ekisinze okuleeta abantu okubeera bakakkamu mu kalulu kammwe ne batakola nnyo emivuyo gye tubadde tusuubidde?
It is only that you have come very early in this midst of this election. You have come very early to me. I'm still observing this experience. My agents are communicating to me that you have got this, I have got this. I'm still optimistic. I can't judge now because this method they have used really in a democratic way, the democratic government, the governance. Yes, even if I win, I can't promote it. I can't defend it because it wasn't wise. But people, I blame our elders. Our elders are not giving us a safe, growing situation. They are leading us to a standstill. They are corrupt. everything they exploiting us. Even I can't tell you where, if it is this us we will live in until our end. I don't even, this experience we exchanged with our elders in the party. For example, ngaffe abadde beesimbyeko n'abaddala ababaddewo mu ekibiina kumala ebbanga ddene nga balinga batuzadde. They are not showing us love. They have not give us any motivation to love this party. But we are persisting to fight for Ugandans. Even our brothers in opposition, I'm pity for them. These guys are so disastrous. Disastrous for sure. You prepare yourselves very well. This I'm experiencing that game. I'm rehearsing me myself as in Yamachi Dennis. I plead your call. Come, you fight your rights, your services. It is really me. I'm still optimistic and hopeful that I'm going to win. But I have fought for so long, so hardly, in the whole hardship. It was kilame, I can say. Chibade chizibu nyo. Even if I won, they declare me a winner. Really, I can't say it is my making. It is God's making. Because these guys are so dangerous, more than anything on us. I plead even to President Museveni, revise the system, our structure. Are killing the system. People are dying, not dying of diseases, of common diseases.
They're dying of what?
They are dying of people themselves. People are suppressing others. The minority are killing the majority, are suppressing the majority. Person who is richer, every day is becoming richer. The poorer is becoming poorer, more poorer. I can say poorest.
Why are they killing them?
Sorry?
Why are they killing them and what's the finding?
I'm not saying killing directly, but if you have an empty stomach, my friend, you are
killing them indirectly.
Indirectly. If you have an empty stomach today, you are from Makerere University, you are a graduate. My friend, you are a parent. You are a problem at home. We are becoming problems to our families. People will struggle to get where we are. But you, fellow minority Ugandans, are suppressing us. Are surprising us. Even we are fearing. We lost hope. Most Ugandans are hopeless. But me, I say I will stand firm. I will stand firm. Our brothers, sisters in opposition, here our system. Here our system. NRM, take care when you are dealing with these people. Some are our brothers, some are our parents. But you say, what kind of a parent? Who is so dangerous? Who talk? I can't even. There are some words which I can't pass out through my mouth. Really, people. Sobola kugamba even describing abantu. But our Musei, His Excellency President Museveni, you need another method of dealing with your people. We have seen what sick people experienced. Now they are there on a safe hand. They are seated. They are saying, they are telling you that the ground is good. everything is moving very well, but people are being suppressed even. That's why you see every day pressure groups are growing on. Those people listen to them, hear to them, contact them. People are bad off. Me, I do promise Ugandans, I will do promise people of Kawempe North that I will keep fighting for your rights. You need the services. We NRM Kawempe North districts, we had a circle, but an empty circle. A circle, how can I call it? We have a name. We have our elders who cannot support themselves. We have around here, we have slums. I heard President Museveni, our president, talking about ghettos. We have a lot of ghettos here in Kawempe North. Those people are not friendly to them. I don't know even the method we will use. Even me, I am wondering, even disparately, I heard from news reporter that President Museveni has said everyone who can vote lining against primaries, of which I wonder even is getting also some block. You're not understanding people, his people, what are they doing? You find I am a candidate, I'm not in register. When I registered myself, but me, I was lucky that I was there. But that kind of situation, it will not lead us where we are going. Our sons and our daughters, they need a better Uganda. And we are the ones to build a better Uganda for the future generation.
Kati honorable, Boba, singa baba kulangiridde nti no gwangudde.
Yes, sir.
Era ne mu parliament abantu ne bakusama obwesige ne bakutuma.
Yes, sir.
Bateeseteese kutandikira ku ki okukolera bannakawempe North. Kyolaba ekisinga okubeera obubi gwe kyogaa nti nja okutandikirako okukwatako tutambule.
What are you going to begin with after going there in the parliament?
After my win,
Yeah.
after my win, my brother, even you can look where you are going to start. You fail. People, we have experienced COVID, but our system, I'm telling, even I'm wearing our president, His Excellency President Museveni, that our system, if you have experienced the COVID, the test of the COVID, the test of our system is dangerous than COVID. People in the police, they're exploiting our Ugandans. But what I can start on, people are poor, I can bring projects. I like business. People engage them in business. Who are in business? Haliko abakyala balina emidaala, haliwo abavubuka wali mu chapati. We have our bavubuka who are working in border, who are not even listening at Timo. They see them like bayaye. My brother, my sister, we have a lot to do to revive this system. The challenge is not it is not the Museveni, it is not the president, but fellow men. Last time I talked about our ministers. Even me, if you ask me a list of our ministers, even some of them we can't. We don't know them.
Why?
They are in the safe places. They are not reaching people. We don't know even their fate. Because if you compare our NRM with opposition, our constitution NRM promises solidarity. solidarity has a lot of component in it. There is no solidarity in our party. Mobilization, who will responsible on mobilizing? I saw our president every day and Mr. Balugahari recruiting. What is our secretariat? What is our structures? They are there fighting for what? For the smaller cake. And the people who are disadvantaged every day are continuing to be disadvantaged more. Me, I appeal people who are okay, who are well. For example, me, let me take an example of our chairman. We have good people who have a variety. They have bungalows, they drive good cars, but nothing they can show to our people that have done. Even now, Noboma Mpangu Kana Kalulu, I thank God. Kubanga results nziwula nungi. Abana bankubira ni bangamba wano tuwangude. I'm feeling very optimistic to hear my declaration that I'm the winner. But I can't jubilate more because my people are suffering. I can't say that I'm going to start here. Every corner. People during the COVID were at home. Some never get even a single kilogram of bean. You go to Komamboga, go to Kanyanya. But if you talk about that, you are opposing the system. If you tell that people are there in the police custodies, they don't hear to them, you are an opposition guy. If you say that this border has employed many youths, they have to listen to them. Now you are opposing the government. Where are we heading?
You talked about the people who are killing civilians indirectly by their colleagues. What do you think that government should do to stop that?
I think our president has to give these people limit of powers. If you are an administrator like in our structure here, like in Kawempe, you get some people to report too. We have variety of groups of circles here, but they mature mass. A year after expiration of a certificate, they say, we have waited for any support. In a vein, our leaders, they want to keep us there. I'm asking, why are they so jealous? Why are they have capacity to develop our people? But why are they jealous to them? Baba Kolachi, they with them. They with Ngogo Yogede. They wait for them to give them 1K, 2,000 at voting day. I wonder. Now, I see even everyone is. I wish even we, our flag bearers, after announcing us as flag bearers, I wish Museveni doesn't, our government, our NRM don't support any. I wish they don't support any candidate. They don't. Why? These people, there are some who even do it a business. That I'm going to inject 100 million, they will give me 250 or 500 million. It has become a total business. Then people getting exploited every day. We like me, we a poor man. If you see, we winning. It is not our power. It is not our making. Because these people are exploiting each and everything. You go to the security, you see infiltration. You go in ministries, every day our president is alarming about these people. Who are they? I will keep asking, who are they? Our elder Tamale told us mafias, but we are still describing them. Where are they? Where did they stay? What messages? Because we need the medicine. If you with a person that for you maneuver, you get where you are going, but you leave your friends. You blackmail everyone, you suppress everyone because you have money. People really did contrary to our motto, which is for God and our country. A person who fears God can be pity to someone, to a neighbor, to a friend, someone's son, someone's daughter. But if you call degrees who are at home, masters, some are studying PhD online is when they no job. But you hear that someone's guy has a diploma, has a certificate, he's working, he's earning. But a person who has masters is jobless. Really, how can we balance our resources here? How can we balance? What is equity? What is equity in our hospitals? What is equity in everything? Even in this democratic way of electing people, when you are fighting, even you tell your opponent that if you not drop from this race, I will kill you. Are you God? Kill me. I'm there. Me, I'm ready. I will keep talking about what is bad and what is good. I started this and I will not stop it.
Anyway, or you just, it's just in your mind, so why it's like imagination?
I can't imagine, I did even sciences in my A-level, and even now I'm practicing medicine. I'm a student of practicals. I can't imagine it. I can't come here to just lament. What I'm telling is the reality. I have a case at Kawempe, there, where these guys, they hacked into my phone. What is the motive? If I have come mobilizing for our party, even me, I can add a value. I can recruit more people to them when they need people. What's my mistake? Why are you attacking a candidate? If you are knowing that you are powerful, you are good, you are doing good things to people, you are talking for them, why are you attacking your opponent? Or why are you try to harass? Even an extent of telling you that you come here, do this, you can do this, but what you are advising, everything is in your favor. Everything is self-interest towards yourself. But me, I'm hopeful I'm going to win this election. The moment Uganda trusts me and vote me to the member of parliament, I'm ready to talk. You hear people, this scenario of mobile money tax, I'm still even itching my head. How can a person, at first time when they started deducting that tax, it was so terrible. You send, they deduct you, the other receiver again deducted, then the withdraw deducted, the whole system. And you hear our people who are in that category of IT, in the system of our mills, jubilating that we have gotten a tax. Now we have gotten away the source of revenue. When you are exploiting a final consumer who is a local person at the ground, which now you will come, for example, you are withdrawing like 200, you have to cater for 5,000. 5,000 is a lot, 200. Someone is sending, you charge him 1,000. Is the other withdraw the another end, it is 5,000, 6,000 on a 200,000. And you hear a member of parliament, a full one, has people who has voted him. I think these people elected themselves. I don't imagine you know that people elected you. The bills are high, utilities are high, they have charges and they have to pay them. Even you're paying a utility plus a charge. You come, that case of mobile money, really 50% they are saying, even it is high. And those people, even they don't get humiliated. Even I wonder if they get ashamed. How can you say that we have billion transactions, over 11 transactions per day, and you find that a single transaction can cost 2,000? Which means only mobile money you can make our budget. Only one sector. Now where is our money? Our other monies. If you are telling people that a transaction per day, I had those announcement at first that we have mobile money transactions, why it is 11 million or 1 billion, what? Then how much if you convert? When you can charge 1,000 and someone 5,000, which means we are in trillions a day. No, they have to give us our balance. We are still demanding. Let them give Ugandans the balance. That tax is so deadly, and you get a bond of more than even over 3 taxes. We had the mobile man, the due course we got OTT. There is another one. But if someone from another side talking that this tax must go, you said this is opposition. It can't be opposition. It costs us, all of us. Even I would advise the government, these money that you are giving people, that you are supporting them, that you are supporting them in schools, that you are supporting them in businesses, in smaller business. These people got TV, start e-converse, they do converse. This is the logic. These people, they are targeting to steal you, president. They are targeting you to steal you. No money is coming to your people. What can you do? Only me, as did small commerce in my O level, I can say, reduce taxes, get low revenue. These people get environment where they can do business. A businessman from here, like here in the city in Kawempelos, has rent, has transport. Now it is running, which is very expensive to move from here, from like here from Chevando to town. You got taxes asking you 4,000, 3,000 coming back. You have to work there. You get lunch. You have to get what you bring to